The HMD Terra M feature phone is a business-oriented device with a range of unique features. It boasts a durable, waterproof chassis, IP68 and IP69K certified, a 2.8-inch touchscreen that responds accurately even when users wear gloves, and programmable buttons for push-to-talk apps and emergency calls. The phone also includes a 4G modem, dual SIM slot, and eSIM for easy mobile carrier and plan changes while traveling. HMD Global claims the 2510 mAh battery provides a 10-day standby time, and the phone is equipped with a Qualcomm Dragonwing QCM2290 chipset and 5 years of security updates. Additionally, the brand offers an expandable charging dock that can be linked with up to 10 docks to charge 10 phones simultaneously. The HMD Terra M is set to launch in the first quarter of 2026, but pricing details remain undisclosed.